if you've lost access to your UserPilot account and can't retrieve it via email, there are alternative methods to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the UserPilot login page. Go to the official UserPilot website and navigate to the login page. This is where you'll start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Select alternative recovery options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SOC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Once you select an alternative recovery option, follow the prompts provided. This may involve entering your phone number or logging into a connected social media account. Step 5. Reset your password. After successfully verifying your identity through the alternative method, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to UserPilot's customer support for further assistance.